In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare players in SofaScore. So the first thing you have to do here inside your app, you want to go ahead and find a player you want to compare to somebody else. So for example, I'm going to go on Lakers over here. Let me just go to the club page. There we go. And then in here, I'm going to go to squad. That's the easiest way to find the player. And I'm going to click on Luka Doncic for this example over here. Now, when you are on the profile of that specific player, at the very top, you'll be able to see three icons. There's going to be a star, a bell notification, and then like two-person icon separated by a line. So that's the one you want to click on because that is the comparison icon. So I'm going to click on that here. And when you do that, it's going to allow you to compare your first player, so in my case, Luka Doncic, to a separate player. So here I'm going to click on select player on the right, and I'm going to select a player here. So I'm just going to do Nikola Jokic for this tutorial because they are both MVP candidates. And as you can see here, I now have the comparison. Now I could go ahead and select seasons. For example, if I want to, I could of course select a season different than the one that's selected right now. I could go ahead and also see a lot of different things such as the made throws, total, missed, and there's a bunch of different things you can compare when you start scrolling down and basically seeing different stats of two players, and you can compare them very easily. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.